Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. And today let's see a little bit more about German grammar, which is part of my beginner's course where you learn by following a story. And today it's quite an interesting topic because I will show you a little trick to remember better German articles. Because for many people that's quite tricky, so let's have a look how it works. In German, the problem is we have three different articles, three different genders. Der, the masculine, das, the neuter, die, the feminine article. And somehow most people don't know which article is correct for which noun. Just some numbers. Normally 34% of the nouns are masculine in German. And just 20% take das as an article. And most of the verbs have a feminine article die. So if you like to guess, I recommend to guess with die because the chances are the highest. Okay, but let's see what we can do. First of all, we will have a little test without knowing my trick. So here you have 20 words, and I like that you now try to remember those nouns with their corresponding article. So I will give you now 3 minutes, so please get a stopwatch, get your phone where you can mark the time, because I will show you the articles and then you have 3 minutes to memorize those articles. So you will pause the video, stop the time, and after 3 minutes you press again play in the video. So remember, 3 minutes. So now I will show you the article of each noun. And now pause the video and try to memorize the article. See you soon. So I hope you did what I said, and let's see how many articles you remembered. So now I will show you the noun and you have to say the article of this noun. And please take note if you're right or if you're wrong. So how is the article of Bank? So now we will see. Make sure that you write it down. Die Bank. So take a note if it was correct or not correct. What is the article of Sand? Der Sand. Take a note. Computer. Der Computer. Bus. Der Bus. Wein. Der Wein. CD. Die CD. Krokodil. Das Krokodil. Auto. Car. Das Auto. Hand. Die Hand. Hotel. Das Hotel. Banane. Die Banane. Ball. Der Ball. Foto. Das Foto. Schokolade. Die Schokolade. Seminar. Das Seminar. Musik. Die Musik. Lampe. Die Lampe. Telefon. Das Telefon. Radio, das Radio. Museum, das Museum. So let's see how you did. So normally just 48% of the articles are correct. So normally an average person has 48% correct and 52% not correct. I don't know which is your result, but I think it's more or less the same thing. So that's the tricky part of the German articles. But now let's see my trick. And we have here again 20 new words where we also try to remember the German article. But before we do this, I will show you my trick. So here we have the three genders, der, das and die. And I use a character for each of those articles. For the masculine, the strong article, I use an elephant because he is strong and really masculine. And I also use the color red. So I actually visualize the article. So it's not becoming so abstract. No? Now we really can feel and see the article. For das, I have an alien. So we don't know if it's a man or a woman. So an alien. And we use the color green. And for die, I use a princess. So quite feminine, no? Die, a princess, and I like to use the color blue. So now what we will do now is we will see each of this noun. Like das Problem. So we here have das Problem. And now I will give you with each noun a little story, no? With our three different characters. In this case we have das Problem. So we mark it green because it's das, and we will see an image, and so the alien has a problem. Not the elephant and the princess, the alien has a problem. So remember, the alien has a problem, das Problem. Der Vulkan, no? At the top of the volcano is a elephant standing, no? At the top of the volcano, der Vulkan. Das Piano, no? Ooh, the alien is playing so beautiful a song of Mozart, no? So das Piano, no? Der Hamburger, no? Der Hamburger. So the elephant has really hungry, eats a big giant hamburger, no? Der Hamburger. Die Minute, no? Oof, the princess has no time, no? Not even a minute. She doesn't have even a minute. Die Minute. Das Gas. Oof, the alien cannot breathe because there's a really toxic gas. So das Gas, the alien, das Gas. Der April. No, let's say it's the birthday of the elephant in April. Der April. Der April. Die Universität. No? The princess goes to the university. Die Universität. No? Die Familie. So the princess has her family. So no, die Familie, no, a big family. Das Internet. No, the alien has a homepage. No, so das Internet. You can find the alien in the internet. Das Internet. Das Ticket. No, das Ticket. No, the alien buys a ticket to watch a movie, for example, in the cinema. Das Ticket. Der Kaffee. Oh, the elephant likes to drink coffee. No, der Kaffee. Die Jeans. No, the princess buys a new jeans. No, die Jeans. Die Tomate. Okay. The princess sits on a big tomato, no, and protects the tomato. Die Tomate. Der Wind. Okay, so obviously the elephant makes a lot of wind with his breath. Der Wind. Das Restaurant. Okay, the alien wants to try food, so he goes to the restaurant. Das Restaurant. Die Pizza. Okay, the favorite food of the princess is pizza. So die Pizza. Der Test. The elephant takes a test to see how intelligent he is. So der Test. Die Bar. Oh, the princess is really alone in the bar and drinks cocktails. So die Bar, die Prinzessin, die Bar. Das Theater. No, the alien presents something in the theater. No? Das Theater. So that was around 3 minutes as well. So let's see how many articles you guess right. Remember, take notes to see in the end your result. How was the article of university? Die Universität. Die Universität, ne? Die Prinzessin, the princess. Kaffee. So who drinks the coffee? Der Kaffee, the elephant, der Kaffee. Restaurant. Das Restaurant. Piano. Das Piano. April. Der April. Tomate. Die Tomate. Test. Der Test. Minute. Die Minute. Familie. Die Familie. Problem. Das Problem. Wind. Der Wind. Bar. Die Bar. Hamburger. Der Hamburger. Jeans. Die Jeans. Gas. Das Gas. Vulkan. Der Vulkan. Theater. Das Theater. Pizza. Die Pizza. Internet. Das Internet. Ticket. Das Ticket. Okay, so how was your result now? I think much better. So normally people get at least 82% right and just 18% wrong. So you see how colors and images changes everything. So I highly recommend, if you have trouble and problems with an article, visualize something. You don't need to draw or paint something, just imagine it, and it will help a lot to remember better the articles. So remember, no, without imagine colors and images, no, the result is like this. So there is a big change. So remember my three friends and also their colors. So der Elefant, das Alien, die Prinzessin. Thank you very much. And you see, I use colors to teach German. And if you want to see more ideas with colors and learning for beginners by a story, watch my course. Thank you very much and see you soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Check out more videos for more tips on mastering German. Want to take your German learning to the next level? Visit my website for more courses and private lessons. See you there.